Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own league on ESPN Fantasy Sports. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ESPN Fantasy Sports website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button within the homepage and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken back to the homepage, in order to create your league, click on the create a league option. Now from this page, click on create a league and you will now be asked to choose your league name. Type in your desired name for your league and then choose the number of teams that you wish to compete. After choosing your number of teams, choose your scoring style as well and then click on create league. You will now be told that your league has been created. You can either invite your friends directly through their email, or you can also copy the invite link by clicking on copy invite link. Once you have copied this link, you can share this with other friends, and whoever clicks on this link will be able to join your league that you have just created. You can also invite other players as well as managers by clicking on the invite button. And now you can schedule your draft by clicking on the schedule draft option as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your own league on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.